find out what our chartists make of the market setup. We've got Kunal Bothra as well as Nooresh Mirani joining in. And Kunal, let's get in a sense from you. It's been quiet trading days, nothing unanticipated. But what is it that you're working with? Will we be around this range for some time?
Yeah, I think we should be hanging around this 23,700 pivot for the index for some more time. My expectation is that going into the calendar year end, as well as a start of a fresh year, you generally expect the market activity to be a lot more tepid. So I think except for yesterday's initial part of gap up opening and then the mid session sudden sharp intraday correction, I think other than that the markets were more flatlined towards 23,700 750 levels as a support, and the Bank Nifty was also trading at 51,200 250 broadly for a good part of the trading session yesterday. There are positive signs which are emerging for the markets in terms of recovery from so many of the other underperforming or corrective sectors. For example, we saw the auto stocks making a very strong comeback. We've seen select FMCG names also making a comeback from their previous swing low. So that could probably be an indication that maybe we could be at a point of recovery for many of these sharp corrective correcting sectors. On the other hand, the concern for the markets could arise if the India VIX rises back again above the 15 mark. 15 to 15.5, I believe, is the threshold resistance for India VIX. So I would believe that 15.5 or levels above those levels could be a point of concern for the markets overall. So as of now, expecting that the markets would remain into a range 23,700 750, acting as a pivot support for the index.
Okay, so that's the level to watch out for as far as the Nifty goes and the momentum which side it's headed. Nooresh, wanted to get a better sense from you. Which sector do you think is poised for maximum amount of gains? We did see realty do well by the end of the month. Perhaps it's autos which is kicking in. What do you think will be the biggest driver come the month of Jan?
So the sector I would be watching out for is one is banking, because that is where we need to see more recovery, and auto could do a little bit of a bounce back purely for the fact majority of the names have corrected 20 to 25% from the top. So for the month of Jan, there could be some bounce back in auto names, and banking could be the leader going forward.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.